I am starting a new digestive supplement by Yayday. This is actually a super digestive daily supplement, prebiotic fiber, digestive enzymes, and magnesium. And they say to drink this at night. So let's make this. We're going to give it a shot and see if it doesn't help my sleep and my digestion, because I sure need that. These come in little packets like this. And I don't know, you get seven packets in here. Let's mix one of these up. The actual package instructions on this says the best day starts the night before. What do you think? Gimmick? Or will it work? It says mix 1 packet with 8 ounces of water. We have our water. We have our packet. There's a little tear slit here. We're just going to open her up. Mix it in with my water. Ooh. It looks brown. Maybe bon appetit. Smells really good. Actually, it tastes pretty good. It tastes like tea. A good lemony tea. It's not bad. All right. Tastes good. I'm going to drink it and report back in the morning and let you know how I feel. What does it do? Does it help my digestion? Does it help my sleep? We're about to find out. Be back tomorrow. I used Yayday for the first time last night. I do have 7 days to try. I have 7 packets to try this out for 7 days. So I'm going to continue using this. But I'll say after the first time using this, I don't have any bloating today. My stomach feels pretty good, and I actually did sleep pretty good last night. So yeah, I'm going to continue taking this, but so far, I really enjoy it. Tastes like tea, and it's pretty yummy. Link in description box.